Try to imitate a bird's song and you will realize the limitations of your own voice. The songbird's unique anatomy makes them one of nature's most gifted vocalists. The root of their melodies is found at the point where the windpipe splits in two to send air to the lungs. A bird's voice box called the syrinx is located at this point and serves the same purpose as vocal cords in humans. Unlike in humans, however, the two-sided voice box of songbirds is independently controlled on each side, granting them the special ability to produce two unrelated sounds at the same time. The birds can control the muscles of each side independently and can switch sound rapidly from one to the other. Tricks like these allow them to produce an impressively wide range of sounds. They can transition from high to low pitch in milliseconds and even sing two sweeping tones simultaneously. Many human vocalists would be envious of such ability and skill.